Okay everyone, I'm Leo. Today I'm going to create a sneaker design with Adobe Photoshop in 2 minutes. Very fast, I'm going to create a color gradient and reflect it at the button. And then I'm going to create another gradient at the background, which is gonna be a colorless. Now our design is look like something like a room, and I'm gonna add a little noise in the background. After that, I'm going to drag our brother sneaker to our design and make a little composition. And I'm gonna create the shadow of sneaker with pen tool, which is look like realistic shadow in a room, just like that. I'm going to reduce the opacity a little bit and make a little Gaussian blur. Now look what we got. Guys, if you're interested in the graphic design, subscribe to my channel for more. You won't be regret. After that, I'm going to create the text and duplicate this layer and make a little stroke, reduce the fade. Now this is exactly what we want. I'm going to create the shadow in the text, but this is nothing impact in the design, just my opinion. Now I'm going to drag the top letter and bottom letter to the design and something like that, which is already created. After that, adjust a little composition right there, and I'm going to put the logo at the top left corner and slogan in the top right corner. After all, I'm going to adjust the lighting and coloring with camera raw filter. Make a little contrast, a little vibrance, and something like that. Thank you guys, please hit the subscribe for more.